Well, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do VLANs on Pfsense. It's very easy, so now let's get into it. Yes. First thing you want to do is go up here to Interface, Assignments, VLANs. You see I have two here, so I'm just going to create one. Parent interface. This mini PC only have two LAN ports, WAN and LAN. You could put your VLANs on different ports if you want, but this one is not happening because I don't have no other ports. So we just go ahead and select LAN. We can give it a tag of 30. Don't worry about priority. Description, we could just give it test VLAN and save. Now we created test VLAN. Now you want to go over here and click on interface assignments. Go here to available network ports, hit the down arrow, and you see VLAN 30. Go ahead and add it. Go into the interface, enable it. We're just gonna call it VLAN 30. IPv4 configuration type. We're just gonna go with static IP because we're not gonna use DHCP. It will be assigned a IP address by a DHCP server. We don't have one of those, so we're just gonna go ahead and hit static. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. Let's give it an IP address. You know what? I'm give it that one. And we need to change this. We need more than one IP address. Hit 24, 256, actually 254, because you can't use the first one, and the last one is a broadcast. None of that. Don't worry about that. Hit save. Hit apply. Okay, let's see. Go to services and DHCP server. Click on that, and you see here, you see VLAN 30. Go ahead and click on that. What we need to do is go ahead and enable the DHCP server on VLAN 30 interface. So anything that's on that interface will get IP address. It will be 30.1 to 154. And we could choose the IP range. We could just leave it blank and use all of it, or we could have it like this. Start let's see, start at .15 to we could do that. So we have 15 addresses reserved before, and we can have a few, one or two addresses after that's reserved, because it will only pick address from 115. I'm sorry, from 30.15 to 30.252. So if we have like something where we want to have a static IP, we could put it anywhere between 10.0.30.1 to 30.14. So we could do that. If we have a Win server or DNS server, we can go ahead and put the W. Like for example, we wanted to use Google, or let's say Cloudflare. I don't know what I can't hardly talk tonight. Or Cloudflare. We go ahead and save that. Apply it. Okay, we're not done yet. It's one more thing we have to do. Go over here to firewall rules, over to VLAN 30, and as you notice, you don't see nothing here. So guess what? You can't do anything. You can't even go to the internet or nothing. So we will have to create a rule. So let's go here and click add. Let's make a pass rule. Interface, family IPv4 protocol. We're gonna choose any because we want everything. It don't matter if it's UDP, DNS, or whatever. We let it all rules apply to all of it. You just choose VLAN 30 subnets to any destination and click apply. Then apply. Now, source VLAN 30 subnets to, like I said in my other video, when it doesn't have anything here for the destination or port, I mean everything. It go anywhere. If I want to, I could go on to VLAN 20 or my VLAN 10. But let's say you want this VLAN to be isolated. It's a few ways you can do it, but the easiest way for me, it's not the best way, but it's the easiest way for me. I just throw in another rule, block VLAN 30 IPv4 any VLAN 30 subnets destination. I could just put let's see, where is it? Like for example, LAN subnets, and I could put here block from LAN networks, and apply it. And like I said, it works from top down. So let's say it get a request, hey, I want you to go somewhere onto the LAN network. This will block it. Gone. Then anywhere else, most likely anywhere else but LAN networks, it'll just go. But I hope I'm explaining it right. I know I'm not using the correct terminology, but that's how it works. And that's it for VLANs. Pretty quick and simple. If you have any questions or need any additional help, leave it down in the comments. I try to respond within 12 hours.